In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change display name in Microsoft Teams. If you want other people to see a different name in Teams, there are two common ways to do it depending on how you're using the platform. One method is for changing your name inside the Teams app itself, and the other is for changing the name that appears before joining a meeting as a guest. I'll walk you through both so you can use the option that fits your situation. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer. Once Teams is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click your profile picture. This is where you'll usually find your account settings and profile related options. After that, click your current name or open your profile. In some versions of Teams, this may appear slightly differently, but the idea is the same. You want to access the area where your personal account details are shown. If you see an option called Edit Name, click it. Keep in mind that this option may not always be available. In some work or school accounts, name settings are controlled by your organization, so the option can be missing or locked. But if it's available, continue by entering your new display name exactly as you want it to appear. Once you've typed in the new display name, click Save. That's it. Your updated name should now be reflected in Teams, although in some cases it may take a little time to show everywhere. Now let's look at the second method, which is especially useful if you're joining a Teams meeting as a guest and want to control the name people see in that meeting. Start by clicking the Teams meeting link you were given, then choose Join on the web or open the Teams app if you prefer. Before you actually enter the meeting, you'll arrive at the pre-join screen. On that screen, look for the name field. This is the place where you can type the name you want other participants to see during the meeting. Enter the name carefully, especially if you want it to appear professionally or match how you'd like to be identified. Before joining, it's also a good idea to check your camera and microphone settings. This helps you make sure everything is working properly and avoids delays once you enter the meeting. When you're ready, click Join Now. And that's how to change your display name in Microsoft Teams, whether you're updating it in the app or setting it before joining a meeting as a guest.